Hi guys, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art, here to make another video for you. First off, I want to show you my traveling ring pour. My last video turned out really pretty. And when I poured the gold for the flow extender, came up gold cells, like I hoped it would. Not a whole lot, but they're really pretty. Love the colors, it turned out really nice. So if you're interested, all my information is in the description box below each video. So contact me if you're interested in this painting. So on with the next. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. And I want to give a shout out to Olga from Smart Art Materials. I think that's it. She did a painting like this and it was really pretty, so I thought I'd give it a try. So let's see. Half of it is going to be this beautiful blue color. So we'll just start up here and do this half. In this blue. There's hair right there, of course. And again, I forgot my spreading tool. Step over here real quick. Here we go. Spread this out. I'll list all my colors in the description box below the video. Try and get it as straight as I can. I know it's kind of boring watching people spread paint. And I'm not that great at it. Probably gonna have a bigger white space than I am the blue. But that's all right, I guess. Okay. Let me get this wiped off, because I don't want any blue in the white. Good. Okay. The other half is going to be white. Do my best not to get them all tangled together. But that's easier said than done. Probably gonna hear my dog start to bark here any minute. See? Any little thing she hears outside, she starts barking. All right, that looks pretty good. And I also forgot, I can't remember what I forgot. That's pretty bad. Get my edges a little bit here. Get some more paint on them. Down the side there. There we go. Wipe my hand off real quick. Oh, I know what I forgot. Let's see, it's right here. This is my favorite little tool for swiping. All right, it's going to be a funnel. Get my sticks out of it with my right hand and reach across to pick up stuff with my left. So we'll fill the funnel without trying to let anything escape until we're full. Maybe I can do it this way. I'm not real great with my right hand. I think that's about the end of that one. We're starting to ooze out a little bit. I want my funnel nice and full. Okay, that ought to be good because we're oozing out already. Let it flow out and down. Maybe we got too much. We shall see. Oops, I let it go too much at the top. Way too much at the top. Let's see if I can bring it down some this way. There we go. We'll run some of it off. I got too much paint. That is my problem. I'm always getting too much paint. I'm always thinking that I won't have enough, and then I end up with too much. There we go. Let's give it a torch. Dandy swiper thing. Start here maybe. Excuse me. Just knocked my on the floor. And I see that I dripped. That's no problem. Really just take a finger and it's gone. But you need to wipe your swiping tool off after every one, so you don't make a mess. Got down to the canvas that time, so let's see if it'll fill itself in or whether I need to help it along a little bit. I got some new paints. Michael's finally opened back up for us here in Illinois. So I got some new paints yesterday. I couldn't wait to try them out. This one's not going to fill up, so I'm going to have to put some more paint in there. There we go. You have to have a gentle hand to be able to swipe. And sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't. Kind of looks like a big bug, doesn't it? I think my chili pepper color kind of took over. There's some lavender. I have different colored greens in here, but I don't really see them too much. Too much blue on my wiper. Olga's was much better because she knew exactly how much paint to put in. This is my first time, so bear with me. There we go. I think that's pretty good. I hope. Do this one more time. It's kind of small. I think that paper towel's had it. Okay. Oops. Get this out of here. That's a drip that dripped and not the right color. There we go. I work with all acrylic paints. Said this is a 16 by 20 canvas. I do commission work if there's anything that you would like me to do. If leave me a comment if you so desire. You want to see me do any special technique, any special colors, I'd be glad to do it for you. But less colors next time in my funnel. Maybe it'll turn out a little bit different. But I think this one's all right for right now. Let's give it one more torch. Sure we get all the air bubbles out. See if I can get you a close-up. Probably not very well because it's a bigger canvas. I have to go back and get my sides over there. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends and family about me. I really appreciate all my subscribers. As soon as we hit that 100 mark, it's going to be a glorious day for me, and we'll have some big giveaways. So thank you for watching, and as always, please have a great day. All right, guys, I'm back. Just a short thing to tell you. If you know me, I criticize myself more than anybody. Didn't like how that turned out, so after the camera shut off, I scraped the middle down and put on more white paint and even more blue paint, and I did balloon kisses up and down. So I like this much better, and when it's dry, I might paint something up here or down here or both. So I'll give you a close-up of this one. I think it looks much better than the other one. So stick around to the end of that video and you will get this part. It'll be tagged on at the end. Thank you for watching. Have a great day again.